Want to know the fastest way to ruin your 20s? Just follow this blueprint and you'll sabotage your future in record time. First, drown yourself in content that fuels your anger. The more you rage, the more you're being used for profit. Never ask questions that might sound stupid. Better to stay silent and miss opportunities than risk looking like a fool, right? At night, maximize your restlessness. Watch stimulating videos until your brain is fried. Hold that screen close. Blue light is your best friend. Stay busy like a hamster on a wheel. Chase the next thing and the next without ever stopping to reflect. Working out? Skip it. It's uncomfortable, and who needs discipline anyway? Just do what feels good in the moment. Remember, everything's an addiction. Pick the popular one so you fit in. Your life mission? Impress others. Social media makes it easy to live for their approval. Listen to everyone, because they're always right and you're always wrong. Stay connected 24/7. You wouldn't want to miss out on anything, even if it's meaningless. Be a consumer, not a creator. The internet was made for that. Never update your worldview or explore your passions, just wait for inspiration to magically strike. Avoid books, they're for old people. Fast food? Perfect. Eat quickly, sleep less. And when you feel lost or empty, ignore it. After all, we're just stardust floating in the universe. Why complicate things by trying to fix your life? Or you could choose differently. Your 20s can be the foundation of a life you're proud of. The choice is yours. Want to know the secret weapon for turning your mindset around? Check out this video, The Secret of Self-Talk. It might just change everything.